how to post more than 10 photos on Instagram. So let's get started. So first of all that you would need to do is to make sure that your Instagram app is updated in the App Store or Play Store if you are in Android. So as you can see right here, I am currently updating my own app. And now once you have updated your Instagram app, the next thing that you want to do is to now open it. And from here, basically, is that you'd be able to post more than 10 photos if you tap here on the plus button on the bottom middle. Instead of tapping here on the Your Story plus button, you want to tap here so that you'd be able to tap to add more than 10 photos. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to tap here on the bottom middle plus button. And from here, I'm going to tap here so that I'd be able to select a lot of media. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm gonna add some photos along with those videos. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. As you can see, it is going over 10 photos. And I can just tap here on next. And then I would be able to edit each one of them right here, how I would like to style it or edit it, and then tap on next right here. And then now I can post all of this right here. This is more than 10. So this is how you can do it. And tap on share right here at the bottom. And now let me show you if you go here to your story. So this is the only limitation here. If you go into your story and tap here on this button to select multiple medias, just like that, as you can see, it is only limited to 10. So you need to tap on the plus button on the bottom middle, not here on the your story button. So as you can see, I cannot go over 10 right here. So yeah, that is the only gimmick here on how you'd be able to post more than 10 photos on Instagram. Thank you for watching.